Today I'll be showing you how to make this tropical body lotion. So now we're going to add the orange blossom hydrosol and the demineralized water. In the other beaker, we're going to add the Olivem 1000. We're also going to add the Monoid Tahiti. So now we are going to heat both phases. We're going to keep stirring. Meanwhile, we are going to add our heat-sensitive ingredients. I'm going to add the Panthenol, papaya glycerite, and the preservative eco. Our emulsion is still quite hot. Well, we are going to cool it down. We're going to measure the pH. This is perfect. Almost at 5.5. So now we're going to add the coconut CO2 extract. We are going to add this to a bottle. And there you go, your homemade tropical body lotion. Look at this. So hydrating, lightweight, and it smells like summer. If you want to see the full tutorial, go to our channel and check out the recipe there.